almost fall down the stairs with that thing. Now we can get to painting and knocking things over with the camera. Better? So you remember earlier how I did all that work putting the table together, bringing it downstairs, and then switching the tripods out? Apparently now we have to go into town to get some supplies, so. Alright, let's go to town.
And we gotta go to the Dollar General Sace because I need some cups. I have to solve a problem. And I think the solution is at Dollar General. No one has ever said that before, I guarantee you. We're on a mission for cuppies, Sace. I gotta solve the problem that we have.
Oh, you could pour paint through that thing.
I could.
Or the cheese grater. Why don't we do that? That's original, right? Pouring paint through a cheese grater.
I wonder what would happen if we poured paint through that.
A spatula?
Yeah, it's $1.
Probably not much.
It's probably gonna, well, it'll run through that and then
You're
it'll run
already
through.
way over your spending limit with me. Since I'm paying for all of this.
Is it?
Yeah. I don't think it'll work.
You don't think it'll work?
Nope. Find your way.
No.
Find your way now.
No.
Come on now.
No, Sace. No,
Come on
you're
now.
not
Do you want a coconut drink? There's a coconut drink over there.
No.
Did you just hit my camera?
No.
Give me an idea how much this thing costs.
No. How about some of them?
Rio.
Oh, Sace. Sace. What about these? What about those? Where's the little baby shot glasses, Sace?
Are you gonna pick that up?
No, you threw it in the floor,
I
you're
did
gonna
not.
pick it up.
Do not accuse me of
It
stuff.
was you. They saw it. The peeps saw it.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna pour paint through this too. Gadgets, say.
Those are disgusting.
These are so
Put it down.
inappropriate.
Put it down.
I love these.
Put it down.
I love these.
These are so
Oh.
bad. I love these. Hey,
You don't have these little.
hey, you want a bunch of people on YouTube to get mad at you?
Say
Move your hand, yeah, move your hand to the right, one more. Yep, there you go. Yep, get that. We need that.
Okay.
Hey, you're gonna break that.
You're gonna drop the camera, say. In your face. 3224.
Are you kidding me?
No.
You're never coming here again.
Sace.
Back on the tripod. Rio,
What's I?
are you ready?
I am.
Hey guys, Rio here. That's Sace behind the camera. Hi. Oh, that was really f***ing hard, wasn't it?
Sace, I'm not very good at the introduction things. Anyway, drive on. Okay, I'm super excited because we've been on a big trip and I got home and I had to take a break because, you know, I got a tumor and I had to take a minute for, you know, to get all my bearings back about me. But now that I've had my summer vacation trip, I feel like it's time for fall. I don't know why that happens, but it's a switch. It instantly goes off. I'm done with hot weather. I don't want to go to the pool anymore, which I haven't been to the pool all year. I'm really, really pale, y'all.
Pasty white.
Pasty white. And, but I feel inspired to try new things. And so, went to the Make Chase Take Me to the Dollar Store, Dollar General, not sponsored. And because it's tragic, it's like literally right around the street right around the block from where we live. And we bought a bunch of things because I gotta try some new things. I have a problem that I'm trying to solve. My problem is when I do this great big canvases, it's hard to keep the paint from stretching out so much and like all the cells breaking. So I'm on a mission to solve that problem. And we're doing it with a small canvas first, and we're getting started right now.
Here, but okay.
Because they said they like seeing your face, Sace. Okay, so that was successful, kind of. It didn't exactly do what I wanted, but it's fall colors. I haven't done fall colors in a while. So we're gonna let these dry and leave a comment below and let us know what you want to see for our 1-year anniversary celebration. Just anything wild, whatever, crazy. I don't even care. Just we want to hear from you. And
I think these look really nice, Rio. I really like them. Thanks for asking.
Oh, sorry, Sace. What do you think of these?
I think they look great.
Do you?
Yes.
I think this one's really pretty. This one's really pretty too, but as these got poured here, I can see that the silicone was starting to pull the paint apart. And that one doesn't have any white or purple in it, so that one's kind of a wild card.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what it's gonna do.
I like all of this in here. It's really pretty.
Yeah. But I'm excited to start experimenting with some fall palettes. I know,
I'm not.
Too bad, it's coming, whether you like it or not. We need ideas for Halloween segments too, but whatever.
It's still summer.
It's July. I guarantee if we go to Hobby Lobby, they have Christmas stuff, ornaments on the shelf. Tell him. Comment below and tell me if you've seen any Christmas ornaments and Halloween stuff on the shelves. I don't go shopping, so I don't really know.
Yeah, I don't leave the house.
Let us know what you think. Please like this video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, like the video anyway, because you obviously got to the end of it and watched it. And until next time, thanks for joining us in the studio. Ciao!